Hello friends, welcome to estimation costing training program. Today we learn how to use polyline to take off arc or curve areas and perimeter. This is a curve shape paving block area, all dimensions in mm. For layer creation and polyline thickness refer following video because I have already here created a layer and already given a thickness to polyline. Now we are going to select a polyline. Select a polyline. Read proper following information. For arc shape polyline, A is a shortcut key, and for straight line, L is the shortcut key. Now this is a straight line. For arc, I have typed here A and enter. Again, L for straight line, A for arc, again straight line L. For arc A, enter. For straight line L, enter. Again arc. This point, click right and close it. Select this polyline. Select polyline, type Li for list command. This is the area and perimeter. This is area in square mm and this is perimeter in millimeter. For running for square meter, area is 34.10 square meter and perimeter is 30.97 unit meter. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.